Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to all and enjoy the class 1 type of business research. Now the question, what are the types of business research? Type of business research. From the viewpoint of research, there are three viewpoints on the basis of application, on the basis of objectives, on the basis of inquiry mode. First, on the basis of application, researches are two types. One is pure research, another one is applied research. In the viewpoint of objectives, researches are four types: descriptive research, correlation research, exploratory research, and explanatory research. On the basis of inquiry mode, research are two types. One is quantitative research, another one is qualitative research. Now, in this class, we have to discuss the various types of research one after another. Firstly, the research are two types in the viewpoint of application. One is basic research, another one is applied research. First, what is basic research? Basic research is a research approach that is entirely theoretical and aimed to improving or expanding the knowledge base of a particular field of study. It is also known the fundamental or pure research, and it is a systematic investigation set to achieve a better and more detailed understanding of a research subject or phenomenon, not to solve a specific problem. This is called basic research. Also, this research is called fundamental or pure research or first time research. Second, applied research. Applied research is a research approach that is primarily concerned with the creating solution to problems by collecting and analyzing empirical data in order to arrive at the valid research outcome. This is the applied research. Now we will discuss the key difference between the basic and applied research. First, nature of the research. Basic research is theoretical in nature. On the other hand, applied research is practical in nature. Second, purpose of the research. The basic research is driven by the curiosity and the need to explore new area of knowledge in different fields. On the other hand, applied research is driven by the need to provide answer to specific question in order to solve a problem. Number 3, uses. Basic research is useful for gathering new information about a concept, phenomenon, or field of study. On the other hand, applied research is useful for finding practical solution to define problem. These are the key difference between the basic and applied research. And last, theory formulation. Basic research focus on principles or theories. On the other hand, applied research focus on solution. These are the four key difference between basic and applied research. Now, what are the type of research in the viewpoint of objectives? On the basis of objective, researches are four types. First, descriptive research, correlation research, explanatory research, and exploratory research. Now, discussed one after another. Descriptive research. Descriptive research is used to describe characteristics of a population or phenomenon being studied. It does not answer questions about how, when, why. For example, a investor considering an investment in the stock market need to understand what the current status of stock market is, how it changes, increase or decrease, and when it changes, time of the year, before asking for the why. This is the descriptive research. Means what is the current position of stock market, to know the situation of stock market. This is the descriptive research. Second, correlational research. Correlational research is a type of research method that involves observing two variables in order to establish a statistically corresponding relationship between them. The aim of correlational research is to identify variables that have some sort of relationship to the extent that a change in one's create some sense in other. Essentially, there are three types of correlational research, which are positive correlational research, negative correlational research, and no correlational research or zero correlational research. Now, discuss the key difference between descriptive and correlational research. First, definition. On the basis of definition, descriptive research aim is a type of research that provide an in-depth understanding of the study population. On the other hand, correlational research is the type of research that measure the relationship between two variables. On the basis of characteristics, descriptive research provide descriptive data explaining what the research subject is about. On the other hand, correlational research explore the relationship between data and not their description and prediction. Prediction cannot be made in descriptive research. On the other hand, correlation research accommodates the possibility of making prediction. These are the key difference between descriptive and correlational research. Another, explanatory research. Explanatory research aim to clarify why and how there is a relationship between two aspects of a situation or phenomenon. This type of research attempt to explain, for example, number A, descriptive research can tell that 20% of the students are failed in the exam. This is the descriptive. And explanatory research can tell that what the reason behind this fail is. Number B, descriptive research answer that a computer system with more RAM has more speed. This part is descriptive. And explanatory research answer the question that why a computer system with more RAM has more speed as compared to a computer system with less RAM. And last one, exploratory research. Exploratory research is the process of investigating a problem that has not been studied or thoroughly investigated in the past. Exploratory types of the research is usually conducted to have a better understanding of the existing problem, but usually does not lead to conclusive result. It is usually carried out when a researcher wants to explore areas about which she or he has little or no knowledge. This is called exploratory research. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.